Okay, it is Tuesday, October 16th, 2018. It's about 5:15 p.m. and it is cold outside and it is raining. It's about 50 degrees last time I checked. And yeah, it's time to fire up the York gas furnaces for the first time of 2018, 2019. So yeah, let's go ahead and fire up the upstairs one first. Got my tripod. I guess this is the first year I've used my tripod for this. Alright, so there it went. I can't remember if it was the upstairs one or the downstairs one that had trouble coming on. But it came right on this year. And the York was probably running less than a week ago. In fact, no, it was running on Sunday. Well, with the air conditioner, of course. You know, I might actually take this York logo right here. Probably not. So yeah, there's the first startup of 2018, 2019. I guess I'll be right back and go get a flashlight. Alright, so now we'll do the downstairs one. Alright. I always get scared in this part because I've got to hurry coming up here because, I mean, you know, I've got to run all the way up the stairs and everything, so, and up the attic stairs too. So yeah, there's the first startup of the York gas furnaces for 2018, 2019. That's funny. Pippin's just waiting for me at the bottom of the stairs. Yep. Upstairs one is doing good. So yeah, here's the weather. It's a pretty nasty day. I am enjoying this cold, I will admit. It's definitely a lot better than heat. And just for the hell of it, we'll get a look at the central air conditioners, which we're just running. I guess it was Sunday. So yeah, it's over now.